Oh, I was gonna turn it on.
I got you.
All right.
I got you, broski.
All right.
And we're live. Give me the countdown in the background. What a sweat. All right, welcome back, NewBQers. Today we're doing some injection, and we're gonna inject some chicken. BJ here, Mr. Man behind the camera here, Mr. Voelker Vision himself, brought over some drumsticks, little chicken drumsticks. I can't talk. I'm doing this way too fast. And we're going to inject him with some of this Butcher Barbecue Bird Booster Honey flavor. BJ's trying not to laugh. And some Killer Hogs barbecue sauce. Fuck that all up.
Barbecue rub.
God, I can't do it because I can tell you're like. One more time. One more time. All right.
I'll stand still.
I
won't do the countdown.
Okay, it's fine. Don't make it awkward as it already is.
Alright.
Welcome to NewBQ.
Alright, welcome back, NewBQers, to another episode. Today we are injecting some chicken drumsticks that I just dropped. Chicken drumsticks. We're going to inject it with some Butcher Barbecue Bird Booster Honey flavor. Okay. And we're going to rub it down with some Killer Hogs barbecue rub. And then we're going to grill them up on the Weber. I got a special guest here today who's making it very hard for me to film this because I'm laughing my butt off. But Mr. Voelker Vision himself is the man behind the camera today. Mr. Voelker. Yep. So anyway, we're going to get these drumsticks injected, get them rubbed down, and then we're going to get them out here on the grill. Nice.
Good grief, he's picky.
I know.
Alright, we're back.
We're back. And we're back. So I'm assuming all we do is this. Right? I think.
Are you supposed to know this?
I don't know. I was going to read the instructions. Use an injector. Okay, that's about it. Okay.
We're men. We don't read
We don't
instructions.
do instructions.
Heaven forbid.
Oh my god, I'm going to drop this whole thing. So the last time I did this, it didn't go well. The lid popped off.
And did it go everywhere?
It did. It did go everywhere. I can skin it. It's fine.
So whatever.
I don't know. I'm not a drumstick guy. I don't really know. I don't really know how to do drumsticks. Do you know how to do drumsticks?
Just throw them in and see what happens, I guess. I've done wings. Does that count?
Ooh. Hey, when you do this, you probably shouldn't go all the way through. You probably just like that. Blow it up. Whoop. Throw it back in. Fill it up. Oh, look at all that. Fill that sucker up. Uh-oh. Watch how fat that gets.
Ooh. We're going to have to get in and get a close-up of that.
Close up. Close up shot. I don't know if there's a better way to do the back side or not. As it squirts out. Use that little one for like I'll turn on and leave it for a while.
Mm-hmm.
So I made an adjustment here. I drilled the hole out the side.
Well, there you go.
It went out though. Come on, man.
Don't use your stove anymore?
No, because I've never got propane for a while. I need to go get both those propanes refilled, but that's
propane and propane
that's like
accessories.
$40. It costs like $40 to get propane refilled.
Mm-hmm. Hank Hill would have a conniption fit.
Shh! Don't tell my dad.
And we're live.
All right. So, gonna use our Killer Hogs seasoning here. We're gonna take a little bit of this skin off, though. I'm not sure what the best way to take skin off of a drumstick is. I'm not really sure. Do you know? I don't really know.
Not really. I think just
pull them out.
You just wing it.
Just wing it?
No pun intended.
I don't know if that's a... It's a leg, though. You can't really wing a leg.
Not true.
Can you? I'm not really sure.
I don't know. I think you just
pull.
grab and pull.
Yep, that's what I did. Just grab and pull. Alright, let's just slip that back in there. Ooh. I'm gonna let you do that part.
Why? Because it's slimy?
Well, I don't want to touch the can.
Oh.
Get my chicken all over the can.
So what are we doing with the entrails here?
Set them down in the bowl. And then I'll just season them up.
Flick them out in the yard?
Yeah. Let the neighborhood cats have them.
Yeah.
Whoop. Alright, so. We're just going to season these bad boys up. Ooh, let's put a little more on the end there. This is interesting.
Right?
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all the chicken.
And we're live out here in NewBQ headquarters. We're just hanging around, shooting the shit, beep,
Beep.
and watching the grill go.
Ooh.
Ain't that purty?
Cause it's been a long week.
Time to grab a brew
Fire up the old grill.
and enjoy some NewBQ.
That would have worked really good if we would have worked that out better.
Right?
Like
Yeah.
the first time. Let's try it again. Let's try it again.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Me start it, you start it.
I'll start.
Okay, you start it.
It's been a long week.
Time to grab you a brew
Fire up the old grill.
and enjoy some NewBQ.
All right.
If I hold
NewBQers, this is Mrs. Voelker Vision right here in all her glory.
But I can't bend it all the way down yet.
Yeah, minor.
That's what I thought.
Discussing Jazz's disability.
I'm disabled now.
You're gonna get,
I don't have to go to work anymore.
yes, get paid from the government. Government came and took my baby.
They came and took it.
I'm probably not even on the camera, am I? Like half my head's cut off.
You're all on.
It's on there. It's actually pretty wide.
Because I feel like there's been a lot of times where I've had it like this, and it's probably just got from the nose down.
Yep, you're still on there.
Yeah, it's pretty wide. It's pretty wide film. Just gonna have to delete all that anyway.
Yeah, probably. None of it's used, or none of it's usable.
Some of it might be used.
Here we go. Money shot right here.
Oh, I should have got my timer, my temperature ready. Hold on.
All right. Money shot, take 2.
Money shot. Hold on. Oh, not that money shot.
Oh, whoops.
Wrong money shot.
Ow, fuck. Ooh, look at the fog.
Steam.
127.
Steam, fog, smoke. It's all the same.
Oh, we're getting there.
Oh yeah. This is the stuff right here.
Gotta get to between 160 and 165. Technically, you're supposed to go to 165. Would be doneness.
I just
But
look and
if
see
you
if
get-
it's pink or not.
But they say if you go between 160 and 165, anywhere in there, you pull it off and it's a little more juicier.
Now, what temperature range would you want if you wanted your chicken about medium rare?
145.
130. But I'm gonna tell you, You might get a little sick after that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, chicken doesn't have a medium rare.
You don't know that. It does.
I'm pretty sure I know that.
Well, technically it does. It's just not safe to eat.
It's just not safe to eat at that temperature.
Well, then it goes from chicken to salmon because it makes salmonella, right?
Yeah, salmon. Salmon. It's not chicken anymore. It's not chicken anymore.
Then it becomes
it's
chicken of the sea.
It's chicken of the sea.
Oh, good God.
It becomes salmon. Salmonella
Yeah.
chicken.
See, this is the stuff that you need to think about right here.
Ooh, these look good.
Okay, we're just gonna roll them all.
Those are basically just...
Here, BJ.
I gotta click these bad boys first, make sure they
Yep,
work.
that's a good one. Son of a bitch. That's hot.
That's hot.
I can't believe you like that.
Oh, man, I ruined that one.
Oh, damn it. Hey, don't ruin them. Oh, jeez.
Hey, that's the one.
No, I already did that one. You gotta do these.
I know, I was trying to make more room.
Oh, you gotta grab them by the bone, man.
Oh, well, that's why I'm fucking on.
Yeah, you gotta grab them by the bone.
Pardon my French.
It's alright, I get it. Here. Oh, got that one.
I've been grabbing them by the sides.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Listen here.
Who taught you? Oh god, this is all fucked up. Who is teaching you how to cook here? Alright.
Apparently I didn't learn.
Put the lid back on it.
Obviously,
Put the lid back on it.
Ow, I kind of burned myself there.
I burned the shit out of my finger that time.
It's going to be good footage right there.
Yeah, that's gonna be some good stuff. Alright. Roger, Roger.
Oh, that.
All right.
Zombie apocalypse.
Got you in the...
So this is the lazy man's way of cooking on NewBQ. Oh! I can turn it on. Just wait. Let's try this again. Round 2. There's a lot of this.
Take 2.
There's a lot of this.
That one squirted a little
Ooh,
bit.
I like it when it squirts. Yeah.
Ready?
And we're good. Oh, we are just about there. 147 on that one. 158. Ooh, that one's almost even better. 165. That one's probably done. We need to scoot these more in. Don't poke them. You'll poke the juices out of it.
I'm poking the bone.
Maybe we need to rotate them. Where'd my thing go? Here, how about
again?
No, take this one.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Oh.
Oh.
Something just broke.
Yeah, we're gonna take this one. Let's take this one over here.
I'll let you do it because
Take this one over here.
you're the master.
This one over here.
I think the one who burnt my finger.
I always burn my fingers. It doesn't really matter. I got a little crispy. I think it's because we're kind of off-centered a little bit from the heat. Pull them in just a tad, maybe.
I feel like it just warmed up like 2 times.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, shut her down. Shut her down.
Shut her down.
Shut her down.
That's like what they say.
Max, you didn't say it. You say shut her down.
Shut her down.
Shut her down.
Jesus, I thought you were shooting me. Well, you kind of are.
5-minute warning.
We've been waiting forever. Like
13 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Be ready.
We're ready.
5-minute warning.
We were born ready.
Just so you know.
I doubt that.
I don't know how we should start this. All right, BJ, you hungry?
Yes, I am.
All right. Well, these are done, so we're gonna get them pulled off here. Look at them. Woo, get a good shot of that. All right, we're gonna get them off here. Start pulling them off. It's hot. Oh man, look at that sucker. Just fell apart. These are gonna be good, man. These are gonna be real good. We've been out here staying hydrated, trying to get these cooked up. I think the girls have been cooking some stuff up in there. What are they cooking? Do you know?
I really don't know.
We only need one pan. These drumsticks smell delicious. Man, do they smell good. I don't think we need 2 pans. I think we'll just put them all in 1 pan. No! I lost one.
That could have been a failure right there.
Drum down, drum down. All right, there we go. They are done. Done and done. We're gonna put the lid back on these suckers, and we're gonna call this sucker a night. All right, you hungry?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. All right, so let's go inside. Let's get some sauce picked out, and we're gonna eat these drumsticks. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. Don't forget to check out my Facebook. We'll see you next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. See you guys next time.
Peace.